The battle over the NEET undergraduate exam mess is far from over. The Supreme Court on Thursday postponed the hearing on petitions seeking cancellation of the medical entrance exam held earlier this year, citing paper leak. The matter will be taken up on July 18th. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud's bench deferred the hearing at the request of the petitioners' lawyers, who sought time to review affidavits filed by the Union Government and the National Testing Agency. The government's affidavit filed on Wednesday, quoting a data analytics report by IIT Madras, claimed that no mass malpractice or localized candidate advantage has taken place. The analysis reported normal mark distribution and an overall score increase across all centers. IIT Madras report on NEET results identified 25% reduction in syllabus as a factor for the higher score. The National Testing Agency, which conducts the exam, also filed an affidavit stating that its analysis of top 100 candidates showed they are from 95 centers in 18 states and union territories. The CBI, which has arrested many suspects in the Bihar paper leak, has taken over investigation into the irregularities in Gujarat. The CBI told a local court, citing police probe, that irregularities took place at 2 exam centers in Godhra. Many candidates from Bihar, Odisha, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and UP took their exams there. The same operators controlled both centers. They allegedly encouraged candidates to choose Gujarati as their exam language. These candidates were advised to mention Panchmahal or Vadodara as their permanent address. The CBI has arrested Dikshit Patel, the owner of Jai Jalaram School in Godhra, and 5 others. Voices within the government and from opposition are demanding a clean-up.
जब मेरे से बच्चे पूछते हैं तो मैं क्या कहूँगा कि जी हमारी सरकार ने इसके बारे के अंदर सोचा है, नहीं सोचा? हमारी सरकार ने इसके बारे में सोचा है। ये नीट का जो एग्जाम है, इसके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आने वाले समय के अंदर राजनीति के अंदर, सरकार के अंदर बच्चों की आस्था खत्म हो जाए।
वो 24 लाख बच्चे जानते हैं कि इस एग्जाम में क्या हुआ था। तो आप हो सकता है कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आप जीत जाओगे, मगर पब्लिक के दिल में नहीं जीतोगे। याद रखना, पब्लिक अलग है और कोर्ट अलग है।
Amid the clamour for accountability, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan met panic-stricken NEET undergraduate aspirants on Thursday. It's not just NEET that is under scanner. The UGC NET exam was recently cancelled. The results of CUET exam for college admissions are delayed. The NEET for postgraduate admissions has been rescheduled for August 11th after a last-minute cancellation. The credibility of competitive exams in India are at stake.